Okay, Wombles, which one are we going to upset today? Let's do it right. Are you awake? Ha 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 ha.
Right, as you can see, fucking toolbox is out again. Right. When I'm out on the moors and up the forests, I did run out a couple of times last year. I run low on water. I've always got plenty of drinking water because I always carry that in a fresh separate container. But in the cupboard there's the 80-litre water container, and of course on the outside it's a filler cap. Alright, ever tried tipping a 5-gallon drum into one of those? Impossible. So in the cupboard I've got a junction box there. Alright, and there's a submersible pump, and I used to run a lead all the way up the front of the van and through the window and plug him in the fag lighter. Got to switch this end, so I used to be able to take it out of the container. Well, I'm going to stick another little plug out here, and then I've only got to have long enough wire to reach outside the door. So that's my chore for today. Inside the van, because as it's winter, okay, I got no light on, got all the windows shut and everything. Still overcast. What is it today? The 6th. Dull and overcast. Look, I'm getting 2 amps. Fluctuating. It's fluctuating because I got LED lighting on. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's the downlighters. Alright, but my meter, that thing turns the roof fan on and off, backwards and forwards, in and out I should say, variable. Alright, even although it's off there, I put it onto the spare switch up there, so when I turn him on, it remembers what it was set to. Alright, but to me that was to run all those LEDs. I can't remember how many milliamps it took, but it was still drawing power, so I thought, right, sorry, let's turn it off. Because that does the that's sucking it in the middle is off, and on the top it's extract, take it out. So it still didn't turn on, even although that would go click and turn on. The power wasn't going to the fan. So by putting it on the switch, it's now it used to keep you awake with it lit up at night time. So right, that was the update on that one. I put that on a switch. Didn't film it. It wasn't long. I wasn't out here long enough. I'll see if I can set you up now so you can watch. Get me liquor out, stick you on the wall, and see if that'll hold you. Yeah, we'll try it at that. Let's have a back round here, because in the back of these, they are just compression fitted. I prize them out, prize the little terminals out sometimes. Come on. There. I don't know whether you can hear that on the over there with the microphone on. That's the neighbours. That's what I have to put up with. Let's see if I can split him open. I still don't know whether you can see properly. so bloody cold. Come on out. There. That's the one done. Put that down. Now the other one. So they got the windows open, so that's how thin these bloody houses are. Got it. Done. Right. You gotta hold on now whilst I find some wire. There. You just fell from a great height. Oh dear. Oh, I can't see no damage. Right. Pause you again. A bit of black. Can't really see a lot like that, can you? Let's try you down there. And green for the other one. I'm going to twist it so far. There we go. Strippers. 1, 2. So I don't have to take the earth out, just put a slider on it. I could do the blue one. Yeah, find the blue one. That's better. There. Easier when you've got the right ones. Get in there. Always give it a good tug. Set the actress to the bishop. Well, I don't need one on that end because that end is a screw block terminal. And the other one is a Phillips. So I'm going to stick it inside and see if you can see. Whether you can or not. You can see the inside there and I'm over. And then spin you around. Right. You should be able to see a screw block. Put my meter on. I don't know whether you can see that or not, because I can't see the screen. There. The earth is just in there. Alright, now let's see if that's live. That one's not. screws left. That one, and that one only become live when the van is started. Those three are live. This one's live all the time. And to be able to pump water, I want it live all the time. Get in there. That's the point. To put another wire in it. My glass isn't steamed up. Nope, I'm going to go in through the underside of him. So I'm going to unscrew that one. Really, what I should do is put this one straight through to another screw block terminal. Give it a twist, tighten him up. I'm so cold. There he goes. Felt him dropping. I can't see. There you go. Give it a tug. Right. The black one. Terminal. So get him in there somewhere near. Oh, bloody hell, it's so tight. Oh, there he goes. My multimeter, right? Where can I put my multimeter? That one onto the live, that one onto there, and if I can keep it on there, yep, got power. Right, so I can turn that off. Eventually got one. I'll put him on there. He's not. If he does, he'll only just go out of the back of the board, and I'll get the little belt founder and take him off after. So I've got nowhere to sort of put you whilst I do that. Just press that button and open the door a bit more. I'll see if I can glue you to the side. I'll give you a lick. I don't think you're going to stay there either. There. You might be on a scale. Hang on. I'll do that nut. There. There's that. Unscrew that one. That one in his place. Get it down quite low, because if I put it down there, it'll be out of the way, and it will get caught on, I think. There you go. Right. I'm not going to worry too much over that. Right, so we've gone into that screw block there and onto the earth of the van up the corner there, an existing one, and now I'll find the little lead to be able to plug it in. Catch you in a sec. Right. There, got a plug him in. And I got this fitting on the end because I use this same plug to run my fluorescent light that goes in the awning. little tiny, well, I think it's an 18-inch fluorescent tube. I plug him into that. So now's the time to see. Let's get the pump. The pump's there. Right, got the plug on there. Black to black. And if you notice, I put them opposite cables, always on the live side, put the socket on that side and the bullet on the earth. That way it won't ever touch ground accidentally. Oh, let's turn the switch off. Where's the switch? There it is. Fired up instantly. Right, ready? Listen. There's the pump. There you go. Now I can fill him up.
My hair.
Now I can fill him up. There's loads there. Reach around the corner. It goes through the gap of the door. Let's do it anyway. It's all coiled up at the moment, but it just reaches to there, so I can plug him into that, put him into the barrel on the floor. That's all I'm doing. Right. Cheers.